Today we're looking at the WOSPORTS G600 trail camera. So whether you're into hunting, wildlife watching, or just want extra security around your property, this little device packs in some really nice features. Let's check it out. So this is a trail camera by WOSPORTS, and it's designed to give you everything you need to get started without the worry of any subscription services or app downloads. Included in the box is your paperwork right on top. Then you have the trail camera wrapped in a protective plastic, and it's got a nice camouflage look to it, as well as it feels super durable. On the bottom, you have your external power source, if you would like to use an external power source, and a tripod mount, so you can mount this up on a tripod. On the side, it has a lever that opens up where you can see the screen and menu buttons, while also having a spot where you can lock the hatch, keeping anyone from accessing the menu. Right under the screen, you have your switch that releases the battery compartment for your AA batteries, and you will need 8 AA batteries if you decide to use this in battery mode. You also get a mounting bracket, which allows you to mount this up in universal places, a memory card, some hardware, and a strap for wrapping it around a tree. One of the first things that stand out is the rugged design. It's built to be outdoors, waterproof, and weather resistant, so you don't have to worry about rain, dust, or harsh conditions, with the camo finish blending very well into trees or brush, making it a bit harder to see once you get it set up. You're getting 48 megapixel still images and 4K video recording, which is pretty impressive at this price point. The clarity is solid in both day and night, and the color detail really helps when you're trying to identify wildlife. While also at night, the infrared LEDs give you a clear picture without spooking animals. And you don't have to worry about missing any animals with the fast trigger speed. This trail cam has a trigger speed of 0.2 seconds with a wide detection angle. That means less chance of missing quick movements, whether it's deer passing through or even smaller animals. The motion sensor is pretty sensitive, so you'll definitely capture what is happening without any delays. And my favorite part is the setup is all straightforward. The menu and buttons are easy to figure out, even if you're new to trail cameras. It supports up to a 128 gigabyte SD card, so you can record plenty of photos and video before swapping out the cards. It also has a long battery life, or the option that you can hook it up to an external power source for longer use. But for our application, it worked great with just AA batteries. So overall, the WOSPORTS G600 trail camera gives you high quality images, reliable motion detection, and a rugged outdoor design. It's great for hunters, property monitoring, or just capturing wildlife around your home. Definitely a solid option if you're looking for performance without overspending. So if you're out on the market for a trail camera that's easy to use, the WOSPORTS G600 is one that I would recommend. If you'd like to take a closer look for yourself, we have all of our links and details located in the description. As well as be sure to give this video a like if you found this review helpful. That's going to wrap it up for this one. I hope you all enjoyed this review. If you'd like to see more like it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next review.